We're going to give YouTube a couple seconds per usual. Okay, hey everyone, this is Omar Wright, and today we're going to be continuing our game development on Ice Cream Headache. Trying to figure out what else we can really work on. I did not work on it on my time in California, but we can do a little bit more. Start having the Asset Manager stuff happening. Hey, Christine. Hey. Randomly Celeste player, attack them. 50% chance from now. Okay. First, I'm going to start organizing. I'll skip this. Start organizing our files. This is starting to get crazy. Resources, we're gonna move resource scripts over there. So, create a new folder. Call it scripts, and we're going to move the scripts over to there. So we now have the scripts, and we're going to create new folders. Call it like character data. And we're gonna move these two over there. We might want to rename this to res. So that no matter what, they will be indicated in the beginning or in the top. Or they'll be in their own category, and then I can find scripts at the very bottom, type of deal. Okay, scene data is the next one. do dialogue, script. This is SFX. This SFX so we know. Background. For our test data. New folder. This should be the last one for now. The weapon data. There we go. Now it's more organized. And I can find what I need to modify stuff. These are going to get full. Yep. That's good for resources. Boy, I need to scripts associated with the scenes down here. As you see my cursor down blocking with my avatar. Yeah, let me see if I can move this up. So the goal is to get these associated with the scripts of them. So I can just go in here and tell where or not what something is and stuff like that. Hijack this and move these up here for this to be just test assets so I know I can delete all of this. And not be too concerned about it. So we're gonna move this up to here and we crash. It did not like that, so we're not doing that again. It doesn't, it says here removed it. So we're gonna have to edit all of our code. We gotta re-edit it. That's why we're going through it now. As it is, I'm gonna follow what I've learned over the years, and I'm gonna call anything that's not a scene an actor. It's just what I'm familiar with working in Unreal. Anything you put inside of a scene is considered an actor. Oh, this is a resource. So this can be renamed. So that can be moved down there. So that's, none of these should have res in the front of it. Or else I'm confused as a resource, and it's not. Cool. What do I call the game manager? I'll just create a folder that just says managers. It'll be that, and that. Theme should be in UI. And HUD is Y. All of these are UI. So these two are actors, and those are going to actors. So we can now delete this. It should be nothing in there, so we should be able to delete this. So we can remove. It's gonna suck having to go through our entire game. We're gonna have to go through every single script and make sure all the references are solid. Dialogue man, right here. Game man. I'm not leaving this scene as scenes because this is basically the controller for everything. Camera is going up here. Battle is up here. So go here. This is our battle scene. So we want to rename this. What's the best way to... I'm gonna call it a map. I'm gonna call these maps. I'm gonna take the initiative. And we're gonna call this map. I know it's a scene. I'm gonna call it main menu. This maps. So the players. Hopefully that makes more sense for y'all, because it makes a bit more. Instead of referring to them, because almost everything's a scene, almost in Godot, and I'm trying to differentiate them into subcategories with like association with other game engines, especially Unreal Engine. So calling it a map, you understand this is a place that you navigate. For example, where actors navigate around, stuff like that. I'm more fond of Unreal Engine naming schemes with stuff, but almost everything's an actor in Unreal. That's not a map. If it's not an actor, it's usually an instance. Is going to have to be scrubbed through. Let's look at all of this UI stuff that we had to create. Now you're starting to see that it's not as many actors in this game as we had once we were actually in here. Now it'll be easier to categorize this as characters, environment, and props. So actors are going to essentially fall in three categories. Either they're going to be characters that navigate around the world and do stuff, environment pieces that are static and don't do anything, and movable, interactable objects, which are props. Some can be static, props can be static as well, but it's just more the idea that these are things you interact with, like movie scenes and stuff like that. So the sign would be a prop. Battle characters, cameras, and the rest of this. Characters, First, we're going to create the most supporting character, which is the player. And the player has the player script, the player scene, and the camera. If I'm not mistaken. Yep, that's camera. So, if we go in here, we want to, just so it's easier to find stuff later. Character, player. We have similar scheme here, but it's going to be battle base, character, battle, let's say party. Enemy. I'll rename this character NPC. That'll be better. World NPC. That way we know it's a world asset, not a battle asset. Actually, we don't have to do that. You can just use folders. Or I can just, by calling it battle, I just distinguish it. Yeah, let's do that. There's gonna be a lot of, there's gonna be a lot more world assets than battle assets. I'm not even sure if I need an enemy base. These are basically the same, they're just temporary. interface. Trying to think, is it better to do this way or have them face each other so it saves me on assets? Like that, we have actors, organize, other than this prop, which is a sign. So now we can add art assets to for each character this way as well. We don't need to see the managers. These are maps. We're gonna go against the norm and call interfaces. Anything that displays on screen. And holds. Information. Okay, yeah, that's the script. Yeah, that's moving up there. Battle interface. So, interfaces are going to be the best way to put it. Interfaces are going to be containers that hold many widgets inside of them. Like, for example, the main menu would be a interface, and these buttons would be the widgets inside of it. Except for these. We're going to call, I think the only widget I have created is the battle interface, this right here. It's the only one that we instantiate I remember correctly. Yeah, give that HUD some love. This menu too. So it's gonna be battle. Dialogue. The HUD. Main menu. And pause menu. There you go. That should be everything organized neatly, except for the art. So we're gonna create a new folder underneath interface. I'll just create it. I'll just create art folder. This is gonna contain this artwork. Create a new one. We're gonna call it assets. Actually, let's call this elements. I like elements more. Elements of the UI. And there we go. We just reorganize everything. Battle. Rename. Don't worry, today's stream will not just be me reorganizing. right one. Interface. HUD. Interface. Yeah, the display is so broad. I'm glad I named this widget. It's gonna be a battle widget for everything should be renamed according to what it represents. And new folder. And my philosophy usually with folder organization is I should not be more than 4 folders deep into anything. So you should see here we start from assets, not resources, because resources just basically be everything. Gotta type this up. Battle. Battle character. So you see here where assets, actors, characters, battle. That's the most I'm ever gonna have. And so I'd rather just create a new folder if we have a new asset entirely. Anything more than 4 deep is too much. Yeah, so this is where we're mainly gonna be working out of is assets folder. What's cool about organizing this way is actually is a lot of this can transfer over, like the hierarchies to other games I can make this hierarchy fairly quickly, and it also helps me identify what things can be reused and which things cannot be reused in the future. Like I can reuse managers and UI, for example, but the actors and maps will change from game to game. Cool, now to do the hard part. These shouldn't have references. Now we having issues. Struggling to find a reference to. Character display. Hell yeah. Look how smooth this is. Up. Sound, man. That's no longer there, so that's the issue. How do I change your path? Oh, I can't select anything. Oh boy. I think it crashed on me. Two crashes. World record here for our live streams. Okay, no little errors. Okay. If we go here, project settings. figure out an easy way to crash this game engine. Let's see how many times we can crash it. Immediately it crashes. Okay. If I open this again. Okay. I'm gonna have to delete it. It's like the risk every time you try to, that's why I'm doing it now versus my plan, which was to do it later. Yeah, we're just gonna delete it. Assets, managers, it's gonna be game manager. And that should fix. There we go. Don't tell me to throw them hands. Oh. Dialogue script. No. Weak. So go to our actors. Actors. This. Pre-combat dialogue is empty, so I'm gonna quick load. Okay. Resources, dialogue scripts, test dialogue. Doesn't mean to be. It's being difficult, y'all. Close it and reopen it. It says load errors, but I don't see any errors. Something. I'm gonna navigate. I'm gonna close this down. I'm gonna navigate to the project folder. There we go. We finally got the error messages to appear. So we go back to here. How did this one lose? This resource. This is quite the doozy. There it is. And I have to do this all over again. Hater. Caught you slipping. Hater. Throw them hands, boy. Now that we have that, we can go back to the actor, NPC, to the scene. Then quick load dialogue. It can be this, and it should trigger. Oh, the scale error thing is crazy. These on auto scale? don't remember them being this big always. The last time we were messing with this. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to these interfaces. But now you see it's much easier for me to navigate because of all the organization we did. Why is the scale like this? I probably gotta do an auto scaler. Fill. Expand. I probably gotta do some additional research, but it's not critical to what we need to do today. And after I do this, I want to close everything. Back everything up. Being like reorganize. So y'all can see what I'm doing. So this backs up. Git is a version control software that basically gonna back up all the changes I made code wise. Reorganize. Assets, folder, structure. Cool. That way, if I make any changes now, I have a point I can navigate back to. Throwing them hands was the dialogue was in an appropriate time. It's only here. Interesting. Why are you so big? Ah, this theme is empty. That's why. Battle interface. Alright, we're going to be working on the battle loop today some more. So, you want to go to the manager, battle manager, start editing this. we want to retoggle it. Let's see, is that working? Cool. That seems to be working. Let's do it for 1 second. Cool. So now what we want to do is to update the battle interface. Battle interface. We're trying to access battle display. Enemies. Let's start off with enemies first. Let's keep it simple. We want the enemy's health to go down. And we need this widget. Display character data. So we're gonna go over here. Do that character take damage, right? We want to script UI battle enemy display. We want to get same number, which is 0. To display be a lot easier to just put character battle display. This is always supposed to be containing these instead of any. Sure that doesn't to 0. New display. Or should have been able to. What's so difficult about this? Can I have an additional window? Okay. That's what I did wrong. That's what I did wrong. We're learning. We're learning. Huh. So now I should be able to do this. Now we should see the health go down. Boom, the health goes down. Now we take the same kind of code and move it forward enemy. was updating for the enemy, not for the player. So I'm gonna take this. Update their display. Send it to player. So it should say 1 1 0 0 0 enemy 0. I don't do anything. Enemy basically shoots me again. I think this is happening. I think I just need to move this up. Maybe what I'm thinking. That should work. Nothing updates. Nothing updates. Yep, nothing happens. Cool. But we need to update. Trying to think. We do need to update that where our current character's AP has been updated. We need to update the display. I might end up redoing all of this later. I can see myself redoing it in the future. But right now, I just need this to work. We're gonna revisit this a lot. The character died. So I need to go to the resource. character data. No, script right here. Take damage, die. Sentinel dead. I don't know how to use this, so gonna keep it simple. I need to learn how to use Sentinels. That's gonna be right here. Learning to use Sentinels for battle loop. This. We did that. It works. All this is going to get transferred out. So we're going to keep it simple. We're going to go down here to character data. And add a variable. Dead. Make that a boolean. Set it as false. Okay, Sentinel. We're just going to set dead to true. And set HP current to 0. Set as true. This. It's less than or equal to 0. I'm going to do an if. Or if that equals true, we want to with the let's just say in battle. Keep it simple, and then we'll expand upon it. I shouldn't start with a high number. Okay, what is the problem? Holla. Else that should work. If this works, we will have a full battle loop. Nope. This should work now. Tragic. Trying to think how the best way to do this to make it work. Want to have a completed loop tonight. I'm so close to finishing the loop. We fucked it all up. Alright. That's all I needed. Or I'm just gonna add a return and it returns nothing. getting there. I just want to complete it loop. Oh, excuse me. It's always something, ain't it? This needs to be this. There we go. We did it. What else? We want a display message. To let the player know that they won. But we have a complete loop now. Now we just have to do the same thing for the enemy. Skip turns. Oh yeah, I had an error message. Oh, okay. It's gonna be but it'll be 5 damage, for example. if we ever see it. We gotta do a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on this in my own time. Clean this up. I'm gonna set up on my own time. I will actually do it this time. We still have to do these two eventually. We want to be able to select the enemy. So if we go to actors, battle, enemies, we want to like, for example, here we want to add a duplicate. Animated sprite. This will be moved up. Sheet. It's no longer a test agent. Resources. No, not resources. Assets or UI. Art. Elements. Vertical 1. It won't be any of these buttons. So I'll have to create a new one. It's going to be right trigger. But just for testing, we're going to leave it as, let's do A. Let's do it, the A button. Wait, that's 1. Horizontal 8. New sprite frame. There we go. We're learning. Yeah, we're cooking. Yeah, we're definitely cooking. Why is it always too big? Plays. Yep. So when we get into battle, we should see this giant symbol. There you go. It's nice to see some animation happening in this scene. But that's where we're going to be continuing off of tomorrow. I'll be continuing tomorrow. I just won't be streaming it. But it'll be next weekend. I'll show y'all the progress I made this week. I love y'all and appreciate y'all coming to see me live stream per usual. I will catch y'all, I think Thursday will be another live stream for a video game. So anyway, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all Thursday.